Remember that feeling of accomplishment and relief? That's what we're aiming for here, but on a slightly larger scale. Today we will embark on this journey to transform your living space into a happier, more joyful place. Hey there, wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to everyone's hearts: how to make your home a happier place. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment or a sprawling house, your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you feel most comfortable and at peace. We've got 10 super easy tips that will transform your space into a haven of happiness. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's make your home a happier place together. Tip number 1, declutter and simplify. First things first, let's talk about decluttering. I know, it sounds like a chore, but trust me, it's a game changer. A cluttered home can lead to a cluttered mind. Start small, maybe with a drawer or a single shelf. Get rid of things you don't need, things that don't bring you joy. Marie Kondo style. Once you start, you'll find it hard to stop. You'll breathe easier, and your space will feel lighter and more inviting. Tip number 2, let there be light. Natural light does wonders for our mood. Open those curtains and let the sunlight in. If you don't get much natural light, don't worry. Invest in some good quality light bulbs that mimic daylight. Bright, well-lit spaces feel more open and uplifting. Plus, adding a few mirrors can help bounce light around and make your rooms feel bigger and brighter. Tip number 3, bring nature inside. Plants, my friends, are like little green happiness factories. Not only do they purify the air, but they also add a touch of life to any space. Start with easy-to-care-for plants like succulents or spider plants if you're new to this. Even a small herb garden in your kitchen can bring joy. Watching something grow and thrive under your care is incredibly satisfying. Tip number 4, create cozy corners. Everyone needs a little nook where they can relax and unwind. It could be a reading corner, a meditation spot, or just a comfy chair by the window. Add some soft cushions, a cozy blanket, and maybe a small table for your coffee or tea. This is your go-to spot for chilling out and recharging. Tip number 5, surround yourself with happy memories. Photos, souvenirs from trips, and little mementos. These are the things that tell your story. Display them around your home. A gallery wall of family photos, a shelf with travel souvenirs, or even a digital photo frame that rotates through your favorite snapshots can keep happy memories alive and remind you of good times. Tip number 6, scented serenity. Never underestimate the power of a good scent. Aromatherapy can lift your mood and create a serene environment. Candles, essential oil diffusers, or even just a bowl of potpourri can do the trick. Lavender for relaxation, citrus for energy, and vanilla for a cozy, comforting feel. Find your favorite scents and let them work their magic. Tip number 7, music to your ears. Music has a profound effect on our emotions. Create playlists for different moods. A calming one for winding down, an upbeat one for cleaning or cooking, and your favorite hits for dancing around the living room. Fill your home with the sounds that make you happy. It's an instant mood booster. Tip number 8, personalize your space. Your home should reflect your personality and style. Don't be afraid to get creative. Paint an accent wall your favorite color, hang up artwork that speaks to you, or incorporate your hobbies into your decor. Whether it's a guitar on the wall or a knitting corner, make your space truly yours. Tip number 9, keep it clean and fresh. I know cleaning isn't the most exciting thing, but a clean home is a happy home. Set a regular cleaning schedule that works for you. It doesn't have to be all at once. Break it down into daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. A tidy space can significantly reduce stress and make you feel more in control. Tip number 10, add a touch of whimsy. Finally, don't forget to have fun with your decor. Add quirky, playful elements that make you smile. Maybe it's a funky lamp, a colorful rug, or a collection of whimsical figurines. These little touches add character and make your home uniquely happy. And there you have it, 10 easy tips to make your home a happier place. Remember, it's all about creating a space that feels good to you. Start with one tip and slowly incorporate the others. Before you know it, your home will be a haven of happiness. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Until next time, keep smiling and making your home a place where happiness lives. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.